Hey guys, I'm a retired air traffic controller who lives in Mexico. I want to talk to you about these New Jersey drones. It strikes me as absolutely insane that nobody knows what they are. Of course, I'm Canadian. I really admire my neighbors from America who tend to be entrepreneurial, enterprising people. I can't believe nobody's caught one yet and figured out what they are. It's just insane. I'm reading reports in the New York Post about a flight attendant who finished work yesterday at Newark and was driving up the I-95 and she could see these drones, 3 of them, in the approach path at Newark. Something freaking wrong. We need to find out what these are, who's operating them. Somebody needs to capture one. It's got to be worth millions if you can get one and find out what it's worth. Or what it is, sorry, not what it's worth. It's worth a fortune if you can find out what it is.